Ciérrala, por eso necesito este. Okay. Ciérrala ojos primero. Okay. Okay. All right, because I gotta make sure I get it. No se abre, okay? Okay, no.
Subscribe right now.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's your boy. This is Ace Live. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms right here. Okay, it's April 1st, my Haitian accent, right? So the Venezuelan girls are here. Okay, you guys were able to donate to this channel so I can give them some money. We made up to 1,500 USD. I withdrew some of it. I've been withdrawing it from my ATM over here at the mall. All right. They're downstairs. They don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna surprise them. This is all spare of the moment, okay? So they're gonna make some breakfast for me, and after they make some breakfast for me, they're gonna cook some food, and after that, I'm gonna surprise them. All right? Okay.
¿Quieres huevos, patacones?
¿Patacones? ¿Qué es patacones?
Plátano.
Plátano. Ustedes pueden hacerlo. Solo yo dame blanco huevo y el clara, the egg whites. Y ya yo tengo aquí, más, no se llama, el chicharrón, what's that, right here, right? Aquí.
Chicharrón.
No es como se llama chicharrón, no es...
Chorizo.
Chorizo, sí. Y con el queso en el helado, todo eso.
Ay, ese chorizo
Okay, alright. So the girls were telling me, no trajes, no tinto y no dulce. They can't sell nada.
Nada.
¿Y qué la gente dice el dueño? ¿Dónde vive? ¿Nada?
No tiene, bueno, a mí que yo pago diario,
Okay.
que tiene congelada.
No se dice nada porque hay gente que no trabaja, entonces I was asking about what her landlord says. I think so she pays like a month or something like that.
No estamos pagando pies ahorita, pero
Hasta después que pase todo esto.
Okay. Está bien. Okay. Pero no es gratis, todavía tiene que pagar. It's not free. So you gotta pay what you miss. I thought it was gonna like. Mucha plata. They say they gotta pay the difference in the money. Dale, todo es todo, ¿ok? No pregunta, tómalo. Si lo ve, tómalo. Okay, I told you, don't be asking. If you see it, grab it. Okay? All right. Tengo que comprar más Coca-Cola.
Eso es una droga.
She said it's like yeah, for her. No te gusta Sprite. You like Coca-Cola more than you like.
La Coca-Cola es Coca-Cola.
Oh, okay. See, hay Sprite, hay Pepsi, hay Coca-Cola.
No, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. She just want Coca-Cola. All right. ¿Y tú? ¿Qué te gusta beber?
Coca-Cola y cerveza.
Cerveza. She like.
Cerveza.
Okay. ¿Qué tipo de cerveza?
Bueno, todas.
¿Cuál es el mejor?
Bueno, la coronita.
La coronita o la costeñita me gusta a mí.
Okay.
Pero gasta muy rápido.
¿El rum o vaca qué te gusta?
El de ron.
¿El ron?
Cacique.
Cacique, pero no hay aquí. Hay vende aquí. Hay gente que vende aquí. ¿Dónde voy a comprar cacique?
Aquí venden a veces, pero no sé.
No necesito.
No
Ay,
sé.
No sé.
¿Es el tipo o es el nombre del?
El nombre.
Ese es el nombre.
Okay, so they drink cacique, which is a famous Venezuelan el rum. Es un rum.
Eso es ron.
It's like a rum. I think I looked it up. It was like a, huh?
Ahí dice gasolina.
Gasolina. It's like
Sí,
gasoline.
porque es muy fuerte.
Oh, because it's real strong. It's like a strong run. Okay. I think it was like a moonshine when I looked online. It was a type of moonshine, but maybe es un cosa lo gente vende en un botella o la gente puede hacerlo natural.
Una botella.
Botella. Okay, so yeah, it's a something you can purchase on in a bottle.
Preparar para el almuerzo el pastillo.
Es pasillo. So we're gonna be doing the el pasillo. Okay. So I just need to know how I'm supposed to. I don't know, like, because we don't have an oven here, so I don't know if they'll be able. I think she said something about her trying to prepare it from the microwave. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I would prefer them doing it from the oven. But we finna find out how the ladies do it, okay? Sí, así. Sí, todo, por el luz. Ah, there you go. All right. More. Entonces, ¿qué va a hacer por trabajo ahora?
Estamos en eso.
Tiene que esperar, entonces.
Mientras tanto, salimos solamente cuando yo.
Okay, so they can't step out unless I invite them. Okay. Entonces yo voy a llamar a ustedes más tiempo, ¿ok?
¡Ay!
Okay.
¡Qué éxito!
Okay. All right. I told them I will call them a little bit more so they can step outside. Okay. That way they can make a little change. But they don't know what's coming. Big thing coming though. They don't...
Ayer te estaba viendo en el video en vivo.
Oh yeah? ¿Qué video?
El de la muchacha que vino a hacer de sopa.
Ah, so she saw the other. ¿Qué piensa?
Muy bien, éxito.
Oh, okay. Muy bien, éxito. Okay. Y todo está libre, vamos al playa. Okay. Sí, se está hablando.
Bueno,
Vamos al playa. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to Playa Blanca. ¿Qué Playa Blanca es más mejor? ¿Qué piensa?
no sé.
Nunca fui.
No.
Por allá.
They haven't been to Playa Blanca. I've been to
¿Cómo
both.
que se llama?
Blanca Playa or something.
Para ir uno para Puerto Colombia, mucho más allá de Puerto Colombia, hay una que se llama Santa Verónica.
Santa Verónica, una bonita playa.
Sí, esa es bonita.
Yo tengo que mirar. She said Santa
Bueno, no tan
Veronica.
bonita como la de nosotros, la de Venezuela.
Okay, so she said it's up to her
La de
status,
nosotros
like.
no se compara por mí.
Oh Lord, she said Venezuela beach. You can't
Somos
compare.
nosotros.
That's straight up Venezuelan girl right there. She always talking trash right there.
Ay, no.
Well, ustedes bonitas mujeres. Y'all beautiful women. I asked how many guys they got in their life.
Hermosas.
Okay. Hermosa, bella, venezolanas.
Éxito.
Éxito. Excelente. Está pensando éxito. You think about éxito. Excelente. Entonces, ¿por qué no tengo una persona especial? En mi video hay mucha gente que pregunta si tiene hombre o algo así.
Porque me van a adoptar.
Ah, sí. Siempre pregunta, ¿por qué no tiene hombre en tu vida?
Porque no ha llegado el indicado.
Y se fue.
No ha llegado el
The guy didn't show up yet. Okay. All right. Most of you guys know how to make breakfast, okay? So we're here for the lasagna and the surprise, okay? So they don't know yet. I've just been asking them questions, to find out their situation and help you guys understand how they've been out here surviving. Apparently, they said that they don't have no reason to step outside the house and everything. So the help we give them today is going to make sure they're ahead of the game when it's coming time to pay people and buy food. Yesterday she was telling me she eat cornflake.
Ay, sí, ayer comí cornflake.
¿Por qué? Yo no te gusta el cornflake. She said she's chubby. No es, okay?
Estoy muy gorda, hay que estar a dieta.
Aquí, está bien. Okay?
Tengo mucha
Flaquitas.
No, tengo mucha panza.
Y entonces solo toma el cornflakes. She only eat cereal yesterday
Me lo comí
because she
en la
feels like
noche.
she's a little
En
chubby.
las noches no voy a comer. Voy a comerme algo
Ligero.
ligero.
So she don't eat too heavy at night.
Que no me engorde tanto. Un yogur, un
Ajá.
cornflake.
Y tú, ¿qué hay? Yeah. No come nada.
No, yo como todo.
Ella no está bien.
She eat everything. ¿Qué comes entonces ayer?
Yo con mi pasta, pollo.
Oh, so she got it in. She ate her little
Y yo
pasta.
cornflake.
Hey, cornflake. Cornflake.
Ay, niño.
Porque no tengo papi chulo, that's why. Ella tiene papi chulo y de pasta. Alright guys, I'm gonna wait until they finish el desayuno, the breakfast. That's what desayuno means. And we'll be back. Alright guys, bon appetit. The food is here. Amazing breakfast. Alright, this time Barbara took point. No queda mucho huevos.
No, porque ese es puro lo amarillo, lo que a ti no te gusta.
Okay, so they didn't want to do more eggs. All right. So bon appetit. This is what we're eating, and then we'll be back to start the main course meal. All right. But this is good. Yes.
Vamos a poner la pasta e ir cocinando para que vaya ablandando.
I know they're gonna throw down. They saw how my homegirl throw down, so I already know they finna step their game up. I know they see the. I feel the energy. I feel the difference. They ain't come to play. All right. I have to go to the grocery store again to pick up some more items though. All right. Entonces ¿qué piensa? Yo voy ahora.
Sí.
Voy ahora y you're regressing, okay? Porque
Con esta para alinear esto, ¿verdad?
no, porque no quiere que me se. ¿Qué piensa? ¿Qué va a hacer ahora? ¿Puede esperar a mí?
Claro, yo te espero.
Okay, espera a mí.
Limpiando esto.
Okay, espera a mí. I'm gonna go get some stuff, some supplies,
Ay, puedo hacer
and
la
I gotta go back to the ATM again because I wasn't able to pull out everything yesterday because of my daily limit. All right, let's see if it fits. Yep, fits. Does it spin? All right, perfect. Okay. I'm actually checking the width of the glass. I don't have a oven, so the girls are gonna have to use the microwave. They told me they were gonna use it with aluminum foil. I was like, I don't think that's a good idea. Okay. Funny story, as I was leaving the apartment, the girls was putting some ingredients back in the refrigerator, and they were telling me, look, use this whenever you want to. And I was like, well, not really. I'm not gonna cook, you know. And she's like, well, whenever you guys have guests over, whenever I have a guest over, use it. I think they're resentful. They say you be having other chicks over my apartment. I was not really. You know, only to cook it. They felt some type of weight. You know what I'm saying? I said, man, y'all my favorites. And it was okay. Oh, okay, all right. It's all good, man. It's all good. All fun, you know what I mean? I just wanted to share that moment with you. All right, guys, I'm back. So I withdraw the money I could. So I'll be able to give the girls $1,360 USD. That's minus all the fees I had to take off of the ATM. I get charged $15 every time I take money out of the ATM. Plus the food. All the food came up to $80. Okay. Today I bought some food today and yesterday. Okay. ¿Cuánto es?
¿Cuánto le pusieron el papelito? 6,000.
Oh, same thing. Oh.
Te limpiamos la nevera, ¿viste?
Okay. They said they cleaned the refrigerator waiting for me because I had to go to the grocery store. But yeah.
Ayer fue solamente el queso, nada más.
They just chopped the queso up, getting everything ready to be cooked
No hemos hecho
while I'm
nada
good.
esperándote.
Okay. No, está bien. Y...
Ay, yo creo que vamos a tener que quitar de ahí el queso.
Yeah, they did a clean job. It don't even look the same.
Licuando para la salsa.
Okay, so they're starting the salad. She's blending. The salsa she's doing right now. Okay.
No cabía todo.
Okay, so esa es la salsa. Tú lo
Para
pones.
echársela a la carne.
Okay, so they're gonna put
La
that.
carne se está cocinando.
That's gonna be put with the meat, and the meat is being cooked now. Okay. So, wow, that's a lot of meat right there. I'm curious to see how this food is gonna turn out. I told them to use as much as possible so they can take home. All right. So all the things that I brought gonna be used and they can bring home to their family. El otro se hace con
Con leche.
with milk.
Media cebolla.
Okay, half an onion in the milk. Okay. That. Put some marica de tripo. I don't know what that is, guys, but if you understand what that is, comment down below. Looks like flour to me. Eso entonces lo pongo con la carne también.
Esa va después cuando guardemos el pasticho, le vamos echando salsa de.
Okay, so it's gonna be like a once the lasagna is done, you can use that as a salsa to put on top, I guess. All right,
No va a caber todo porque ahí todavía falta.
pour that in there. Okay.
La como que se llama.
Bueno, ahora la mitad.
This is ground beef, if you're wondering, guys. A lot of it. Yes.
Mami me dio unas recetas
Her mom.
para que lo hiciera más rico.
So her mom she was on the phone with her mom earlier. Yeah, I said hi. And her mom gave her a recipe to make it even more rich.
Y que cuando quieras ir para Venezuela está a la orden.
Oh, is that for me?
Ajá.
Her mom is ready for me when I get to Venezuela. That's what's
Para
up.
que llegues en mi casa.
Okay, bueno. Her mom is ready. I'm plugged in.
Y mi hermano que te lleva para donde tú quieras.
Oh, tu hermano.
Sí, para Mérida, un centro turístico muy lindo.
Okay. ¿Cuántos años tu hermano tiene? Her brother.
17.
Her brother is 17 and he could bring me around. Es un buen persona. Todo el mundo conoce a él.
Sí, mi hermano te conoce a través de mí.
No, pero él conoce.
Sí, él conoce muchas personas allá en Mérida. Él se la pasa allá con sus amigos.
Okay. Buena gente.
Muy buena gente, igual que la hermana.
Okay, so her brother can show me around. He's a good guy. ¿Y tú? Okay, yeah. Tiene que ser tu parte también.
Oh, bueno, ella dijo que si tú querías ir para Venezuela, como donde yo vivo en el estado hay muchos centros turísticos, que ella nos acompañaba.
Okay.
Porque donde yo vivo
Ajá.
es cerca de Brasil.
Tú vives cerca de Brasil.
La frontera de Venezuela con Brasil.
Oh, yeah? Oh, so she lives by Brazil. Okay, I didn't know that. No, nunca sabía de eso. ¿Sí? Una parte toca Venezuela, toca Brasil.
Sí, como la frontera de aquí de Venezuela con Colombia.
So she lives like closer to Brazil. And so, tiene que gastar mucho tiempo en Venezuela entonces.
Sí.
Tu parte,
Puerto Ordaz,
Puerto Ordaz,
Estado Bolívar.
Tal Boulevard. Okay. ¿Y hay qué cosa yo puedo hacer allá?
Allá, la llovizna,
El Parque La Llovizna.
Parque La Llovizna y la Gran Sabana, y Brasil.
Okay. Okay. Hay veces pasen muy fácil a Brasil.
Sí, como que tú de aquí a tu casa a Barranquilla,
Ay,
donde estamos nosotros.
el río Orinoco, que es bello.
Oh, so basically, like from where she lives
Yo
to
vivo
where.
sola, yo no vivo con mami.
Oh, she lives by herself. And para allá?
En Venezuela, cuando quiero en mi apartamento.
Okay. All right. She stay by herself.
Y yo,
La gente va a ser celoso si pasen a tu apartamento. The people will be jealous.
yo
Okay.
también vivo en apartamento, vivo con mis padres y mis hermanos.
Okay. Vamos a Venezuela entonces.
Sí.
We all go, okay, because they say they the plug and I can stay at their places, all right? So, bueno, todavía tienes tu apartamento.
Claro.
Okay. Es un muy chulo lugar.
Y en mi casa también es apartamento.
Okay. Vamos. Yo quiero comer allá y todo eso. Cuando todo está a abrir, vamos, okay?
Bueno.
Okay.
Listo.
Okay, so they basically told me I can hang out. If she said I could go to her mother's house, hang out with them, and then she said if I go to her mama's house, she want to tag along as well. But it's gonna be interesting story, man. If I go, at least I know I can go with these ladies, man. They been holding me down. Hopefully, they can show your boy some love when I get over there. I like it. The smell of the milk. Sienta bien.
Pero hay que cocinarla.
Okay, we gotta boil up more.
Vamos a esperar que se termine de cocinar la carne.
They gotta wait until the meat gets cooked. Guys, I don't know, man. So, ¿dónde vive otra vez?
En Mérida.
In Mérida. And so she was telling me that it's ahora.
Nieva, no sé si ahorita está nevando, pero
Sí,
está nevando.
demasiado hielo.
Está nevando.
They said there's snow over there, some ice over there.
Se perdieron hace poco se perdieron en el hielo.
I've never knew. Nunca sabía este. En Venezuela. En Sudamérica. Norte de Sudamérica.
En Venezuela también.
Wow.
En Venezuela también nieva, ¿oíste? Donde yo soy.
Donde soy yo, mucha playa.
Mucho playa. Okay, bajo de hay mucho playa. ¿Sabe que yo necesito mirarlo? Yes, I'm ready to go. Listo. Okay.
Ella mucho frío y yo mucho calor.
Por eso. The skin tone. Okay, she said where she lives is she's hot and where she lives is cold area. Okay, I never knew it. Well, we learning something new. Okay, so she's putting the tomato up in there. All right, now that she split it up. All right. I never knew that Venezuela borders Brazil, and I never knew it snowed. We're learning something every day. Okay, cooking with the ladies. All right, so she's gonna pour that in there.
Este es el aliño, pero es licuado.
Okay. This is gonna be very interesting. We will hold judgment until final product. ¿Es este orégano?
Ese es el orégano para darle un poco de gusto a las carnes.
Okay, so they're gonna put the oregano in the mix. Oh, we're supposed to have pan, but bread. I keep speaking in Spanish, but we didn't have that. But I guess we'll do without it. They're looking for some French bread. I couldn't find. Maybe I can go buy some bread around the corner. Nice texture on there. I'm imagining they're just gonna let some of that liquid just seep out. Guys, so this is like more of a seasoning. She just poured it in there right here. Okay. Okay. Putting some season in the meat.
Queda riquísimo.
Riquísimo. It's looking good. The profit's coming on. Yeah.
Excelente.
Excelente. Yeah, looking good. All right. ¿Y este? ¿Qué va a hacer con esta?
A pisarlo.
Put the garlic in there. Now she's stirring the garlic in the mix. All this stuff is coming into a nice little broth.
Le echamos un poquito de sal para terminar de sofrenar.
Okay, so she's putting some more salt up in there. This is chopped boiled eggs with potato. And here is some carrots she's also gonna put into here, right here, guys.
¿Cómo se dice huevo en inglés?
Eggs.
Eggs.
Yeah. You said it buena. You said it right.
¿Y carne?
Beef. Beef, yes. In Portuguese, huevo is ovo. Ovo. Okay.
Vamos a echar la otra leche para echar la salsa y hacer la bechamel para preparar ya el pastillo. Ya la carne estuvo armada.
Okay, the meat is ready now, guys. Pour milk in there. All right. All right, so this is that other vegetable mix she had going on where she put some milk in. Now she's going to, I guess, put the rest in there so it can boil.
La de mover porque se puede pegar.
She's gonna put some pepper in there. Okay. So that's milk, some vegetable blended up, and some pepper. Okay, so she's planning on putting some more seasoning in there. So this girl is chopping up the rest of the vegetables so quietly. And so she's making the potato salad. Put some salt in there. Okay. All right, she's putting more flour. I'm assuming that's flour. Yeah, that's flour, guys.
La mantequilla.
Okay, now we're getting the butter. All right. So what we're gonna do with the butter, girl? All right. Just gonna chop the block of the butter. Okay. And then pour it in there. All right. Nice little pour with a nice block of butter. Nice stir. All right. Not what she was intending to do, huh? And she's stirring that up.
Ok, ahora eso se tiene que estar moviendo. No se puede dejar de mover. Porque se pelota.
So she got to keep stirring it up. I guess till everything breaks down, and I guess to keep it good
La
to.
salsa bechamel.
Okay, so I guess so the salsa can it doesn't burn because you kept it stagnant. All right, cool. So the girl's getting a little celebration drink. You know what I mean?
No, ya.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hold on.
Dale.
Excelente. Excelente.
Excelente.
Excellent. Oh, excelente. Salud. Okay, enjoy. Y'all put it in work. Okay. Can't wait to show you the surprise. Okay. Yeah, you can see that the sauce is actually getting a lot more thicker. Okay. She's been at it for the last 10 minutes. Okay. So see, I guess they're gonna keep it going until it gets a little bit more thicker when all that water evaporates. It's cool, okay. I see y'all ladies, y'all doing your thing. Guys, so this is the sauce she was making for the lasagna, and man, you see how thick the consistency is. It's so thick right here. Well, guys, did an awesome job. I was kind of concerned how this thing was taste. I already tried some, man, and it is bomb. It's like really appropriate. See the texture? It's made for pasta, to be honest with you. I guess because she mixed the vegetables in it, it just feels appropriate. It's like you could eat this by yourself. This is it's like a pasty substance. So looks like they already prepared where they're gonna put the lasagna, can of corn. Interesting. Cilantro always smells wonderful.
Comenzamos.
Okay, so it's boom. All right.
Salsa primero de la otra.
No, porque voy primero a cubrirlo aquí abajo.
Okay.
Con la misma, la salsa de la carne, eso no se va a pegar.
All right, guys. So
Okay.
they're just lacing the pot up. They only were able to get a small pot, but we're putting it in the microwave, so one by one. Okay. I know we have a lot of meat and food here, but so they're welcome to make more than enough. This is the lasagna. This is a little packet you buy, and then so she's putting it in there.
Empezamos con la carne.
Okay, so now she's going for the carne, the meat. Just gonna pour it up in there. The meat smells awesome, guys. Really good.
Empezamos con el jamón.
Okay, now we're going with the ham. Okay, get
Lo
the ham.
picamos
Okay, got this.
por el medio.
It's gonna cut it in half, the ham. Alright.
Bien, comenzamos a rellenarlo.
I'm just gonna add that on there. I guess you understand the concept pretty much, guys. So she's just gonna just like layer everything together.
El queso.
With the
Se
cheese.
fuera abierto el otro, el amarillo también.
So just making sure they mix a good mix of the different type of cheese they had. I had a couple blocks of cheese and they already grated it, but you can purchase your own like shredded cheese if you want, like
Dese.
right here if you want that. And so this is also a particular type of cheese we had here, but she didn't like the pepper jack, but they already grated it when I went to the grocery store. All right, some corn they're putting, and now they're putting some more cheese on there.
Okay.
Okay, that pasty
La
sauce.
salsa.
This is the sauce. I was skeptical about, but it is bomb. It is really bomb. You could actually eat that by itself, I'm telling you. Pouring that, nice. And I'm assuming now she'll just get another one of those raviolis and repeat. If you're wondering what was the thing inside the pot before they started putting everything, it was laced with butter, all right? She wanted to put more corn on the top. Getting more ham to put on there. And I guess if you're not a ham guy, you could use turkey if you're not a ham guy. So just go with the turkey. And more cheese. And more cheese. Well, that cheese is just going to be on the top, just boiling up. I wonder how long they're going to have to put it in the microwave. What's going to happen in the microwave? It's going to be interesting to see. They got so many different cheese. It's gonna be super cheesy. Man, I just went to the grocery store and bought all type of cheese. It's like, I'm gonna get it, whatever cheese y'all got. Let's make this thing super cheesy.
No, ya con este, porque ya le hice.
All right, so they're putting it in the microwave. All right. Yeah, so I was good on the size. Oh, those.
Está horneando.
Okay. Oh. Esperando ahora. Okay. All right, guys. After 12 minutes, it is ready, and it's super thick. Yeah. Okay. The presentation's not what I thought it would be, but still, it's food. All right. So she's getting ready with the plate. Nice. Ooh, it smells amazing though. Yeah, we're all like reacting over the smell. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat that. Yeah.
Es la gloria. Va a preparar el pan si quiere pan y queso.
Okay. So she's been asking me for some French bread. I went to the big store, wasn't there, but actually there's a small store around the corner where I'm staying, and they had it. I didn't even think they would have that type of stuff, but they actually had it. So I guess she's planning on just frying it, getting a nice little toast. Hey. Bread. Bread.
Bread.
Yeah, you guys gonna get mucho bread today. Mucho bread. Say bread.
Excelente.
Bread. Pan. Bread.
Riquísimo.
Dice bread.
Bread.
Bread. Mucho. Okay.
La gloria.
Oh, excelente. That is the, okay, we sprinkling it off. Okay, let's sprinkle it off. Okay, I guess she's putting the bread in there to get the butter melted. Alright guys, so we'll just wait until everybody gets their place sit down, and then once everything's settled in, we'll eat. They'll clean up. Once they'll clean up, I'll surprise them, okay? Normally I always give them something before I leave. Before I leave, like they live here. Before they leave, normally I give them something, so this will be a surprise. Once they clean up everything, like, hey, hold on. Nice. Nice. If there's anything I'm looking forward to eating, is that right there, the potato salad. But this is like a cheese monster right here. Okay.
Ahora sí podemos comer.
Sí.
Mi delicia. Nuestra delicia.
Got it.
Demasiado.
Okay, let's see what her reaction.
Demasiado delicioso.
I guess she was like, this is good. All right, let's see.
Excelente. Espectacular.
All right, guys. So now it's my turn to try something out. I'm trying it out. Okay. Gracias a Dios por ustedes, mi ángeles que vienen aquí a cocinar por mí. Ay, si no cocinan, no comen bien y pasen bien tiempo con ustedes.
Ay, qué lindo.
Okay. All right. So let's chow down.
Prueba el pasticho.
I'm gonna try it. Okay.
Con mucho amor.
Okay, con mucho amor.
Para León.
Para Leo. Okay. All right.
Mucho amor y cariño.
Okay. All right. We gonna try it. All right. Guys, the cheese is so epic on this thing right here. With the mixture of ham, there's the ham in there, the corn, everything. It just makes an awesome taste. Yeah, my diet is shot. But the bread right here, guys, oh man, it's really good. All right, now guys, I'm gonna try the salad right now. There you go. Very good. With the boiled eggs. The eggs I taste the most of. Perfect. Not too saucy. Delicioso. All right, guys, let me get into this food right quick. Let me dig in, okay? Oh yeah, that corn is amazing, though. Believe it or not, this is actually my second helping right here. It was really good, and it's a lot more. Hey, I give it a 10 plus for taste. It's really good, guys. I told them to make sure they get everything. Right? Because there's so much food here, and I know they just gonna just be acting like they don't want to. So I did tell them bring some plates. I brought some more plates, and yeah, they're gonna just go ahead and yeah. I told them it's like when they get home, they could say like their job had a party at their job or something. Una pregunta. Okay, ¿dónde ustedes trabajan? Ame, ¿cuánto gano? Ame.
¿Cuánto qué?
Vendemos tinto y
No nos da ni para pagar la pieza.
Ok, ¿cuánto?
15,000 pesos.
¿Qué?
Diario.
¿Cada mes?
No,
Total.
todos los días.
Okay, entonces en el mes, she said like 15 mil they make. Entonces más mejor para pasen aquí. Okay.
Me da trabajo.
Trabajo
I give them more than that. They make 15,000 a month. Okay.
De comida, limpiarte, lavarte.
They prefer coming here because they make more when I give them money compared to them selling on the street. So that's understandable. That's why I come here. Okay, I know some of you guys have ideas of what these ladies do, but they spend a lot of time here. Huh? All right, guys, I figured out how I'm going to surprise them, all right? I basically put it in these plates. I'm going to say that you guys sent them some food to eat. I'm going to have them sit down, act like it's a new food, and surprise them, okay? I think they're almost done. I can't wait to surprise them, all right? That's me. One of my first videos when I moved here to Colombia. Y'all should watch that. It's a series called Moving to Colombia. But anyways, let's get these ready to surprise these girls. All right, I like this music though. Episode 22. All right, yo. She wanted one of those. Sí. Y tú también, tomo. Yo porque yo tengo más en esto. So they can have stuff to take with them.
Yo vivo lejos.
¿Viajar lejos? ¿Por qué no tome el taxi?
Yo vivo en Galapa, un pueblo.
Porque el taxi le cobra solamente de aquí hasta Galapa, donde ya vive 20,000 pesos el taxi.
¿En 20,000? Ah.
Y yo me voy en bus de parking, de taxi al centro.
She said it's like 20,000 to get there.
Y de ahí agarro un bus hasta mi casa.
Okay.
Para que nos lleves para Estados Unidos.
Sí, ¿quiere ir a Estados Unidos?
Claro.
Oh, okay, vamos. Okay, they want to come to the United States. A Estados Unidos va aburrido.
¿Aburrido?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Sí, aburrido.
Yo tengo familia allá, tengo una prima.
¿Y qué ella dice? She has a cousin over there.
Ella está por asilo político.
Okay, sí. ¿Ustedes pueden hacerlo así? Si quieres.
No, porque después no podemos salir de Estados Unidos.
Ahora no. Oh, sí. ¿Y si pasen?
No, es que ella no puede salir de allá porque como está en asilo político, tanto cierto un tiempo de...
Ahora no hay más gente que puede ir.
No, sí me imagino que sí podemos ir, pero nosotros no tenemos visa americana.
La gente que tiene visa puede ir.
Sí.
¿Y cómo lo toma un visa entonces?
No sé cómo sacaste tú tu visa. ¿Tú tienes visa?
Visa, yo nací en Estados Unidos. Soy ciudadano.
¿Y cómo sacamos nosotros la visa americana?
No sé, es diferente, cada país diferente. Parece tener, you have to look for a lawyer, un abogado y buscan abogado, pagar el abogado para hacer todo eso. Ajá.
Pero no tenemos plata para eso.
Ay, ay.
Qué feo.
Ok.
Mañana venimos para limpiarte todo eso.
No, y lavarle.
Ajá, y lavar.
Ok.
La ropa.
Para que huela rico.
Gracias, gracias. Ok, ahora sentad. Ok, sentate. Ok, yo voy a hacer
No sé.
muchos videos con ustedes
Ah, bueno, eso.
y mi gente en YouTube que mira a ustedes dice, tienen que comprar una comida por ustedes para comer. Ok, ya lo tengo aquí. Sí, ok. Por eso I was waiting. I told them that, hold on, let me get this light ready. Un momento. They surprised. Okay.
Okay.
Let me make sure. So basically, I told them, let me make sure. Okay, so I told them that you guys had bought them some food to eat, so they got to eat it. All right. Tienen que comer todo.
Ok.
Okay. All right. Un momento. All right.
Todas las comidas que nos manden las debemos comer.
Okay. Bueno, siéntate en este lado por el luces no bueno. I don't know what's up with this light. I want to make sure the light's in. Okay. Todo. Ese es la gente que manda lo dice a mí, por favor, dale a esas mujeres, ok, yo lo da, ok, pero ellos tienen que comer todo.
Claro.
You got to eat all of the food. Ok, todo, ok?
Ok.
All right, so I'm gonna get the food. Ay. Okay, okay. Por eso necesito este. Okay. Cierra los ojos primero. Okay.
Cerramos los ojos.
Okay, okay. All right, because I gotta make sure I get it. No se abre, okay? Okay, no se abre. Es un dulce, okay?
Okay.
¿Te gusta el dulce? Yeah, I like candy. I told them it's a sweet. Okay. Hable, no se abre, no se abre. Hable los ojos.
Ok.
Un momento.
Ok.
Okay. Ahora, háblelo.
Ok. Dios mío. ¿Es en serio? ¿Qué? Ya va, déjame asimilarlo. ¿Es en serio?
¿Sí?
Ay, Dios mío.
She's choking.
Voy a llorar, ya va. ¿Es en serio?
Okay. Okay, ¿cuánto es? No sé. Okay.
Ay, Dios mío, ya va, calma. Ya va que no lo voy a decir, no lo supero. Dios mío, ¿es en serio?
Sí, porque la gente dice, ustedes no tienen trabajo y te gusta estar enojado con ustedes. They love you guys. And so, te quiero, manda algo por ustedes, ¿ok? No yo, esa es la gente que mira a ustedes. No, esa es la gente.
Ok, bueno, vamos a contarlo.
Come! Eat it! She's choking right now. I hope she's able to enjoy it.
Ok, ya va, espérate. Ay, Dios mío, ya va, no. Ya va. Ya va, ya va.
Well, let me get this girl. She was good all day until we.
Ok, ya va. Vamos a contar.
She needs some water. Oh man. Okay. I hope I separated it equally right. I think I did.
Dios mío, es en serio. No estás jugando, ¿verdad que no?
No.
Ok, ya va. Ay, Dios mío, esto es mucha plata. Ok. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Ay, no, ya va, espera. Esto es mucho dinero, ya va. 600, 700, 800.
Eva, morir. She going to die.
Ya va.
Yo me morí.
1.100.000, 1.200.000, 1.300.000, 1.400.000, 1.500.000, 1.600.000, 1.700.000, 1.800.000, 1.900.000, 2.000. ¿Es en serio?
Sigue.
2.100, 2.200, 2.300, 2.400, 2.500, 2.600. Dios mío, ya va. 2, 4, 6, 8 y 10. 2.700, 2, 4, 6, 8 y 10. 2.800. ¿Es en serio? Esto es demasiado dinero. Ya va, déjame asimilar esto, ya va.
Ahora no necesita preocupar si no vender el tinto o el dulce. Ahora no necesito esperar si tiene que pagar el...
Este dinero
She says the money.
voy a pagar el arriendo desde el día que empezó la cuarentena hasta el día que terminemos. Voy a agarrar otra parte para enviársela a mi mamá a Venezuela.
She's gonna send some money to her mother.
Que mi papá y mi mamá no están trabajando
Her mom and her father are not
y
working.
mis hermanos están pequeños para
Her-
que tengan para la comida. Ay, Dios mío.
Her little brother is small, so now they're gonna have some money for them.
Y lo demás será para mi uso, la comida y mis cosas personales.
And then she's gonna just have some for her food and
Se
things.
habla.
I can't even finish the translation. She just, just some money for herself. You guys did that, okay? En mi gente, okay? No yo, okay? ¿Y tú? No puede. Can you talk? She can't even talk.
Hey, bueno, se lo voy a contar yo porque es que estamos muy emocionadas.
Okay, so she's gonna count because her friend.
Bueno, yo estoy demasiado agradecida, estoy en shock total. De verdad, gracias. Después ayudo a mi familia, pues yo sí la tengo aquí. Y tengo a mi bebé en Venezuela y a mi papá. Le voy a mandar dinero a mi papá y ayudar a mi mamá a pagar el arriendo, la comida que pagamos, que Dios mío, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Pero para adelante, pues porque Dios nunca nos abandona. Y demasiado, demasiado.
She said God never abandons us, and she's gonna send the money to her family, and she wants to give thanks. And I told her, this is all you guys. I'm just the one dropping it off. You feel me? Yeah. So.
1.200, 1.300, 1.400, 1.500, 1.600, 1.700, 1.800, 1.900, 2.000, 2.100, 2.200.
She could be a banker.
700, 2, 4, 6, 8 y 2.800, 2, 4, 6, 8 y 2.900. Wow, esto es increíble. Ya va, porque es que es duro de asimilar, Dios mío. Nunca me imaginé
Okay.
en pasar un momento.
2009 aquí.
Ajá.
Okay, yo lo pongo porque tiene que ser. I'll put an extra 100 here. 2008 aquí.
Ajá.
Okay, let me make sure.
De verdad, venimos con todo el cariño posible aquí a pasarla agradable. Cocinarte para nosotros es un gusto hacerlo. Y bueno, de verdad sorprendida porque jamás imaginé esto. De verdad me saca de un apuro inmenso.
Nos ayuda mucho.
Empezar de una vez en mi familia y donde yo vivo, que es lo primordial. Mi familia, porque obviamente está en Venezuela y estamos pasando por una situación bastante dura. Y bueno, mil gracias, de verdad.
Mil gracias.
Mil gracias.
Y que Dios se lo multiplique de más.
She says, "Thank you guys. May God continue to bless you guys. You guys did it. They did not know it. Excelente." They did not know it. All right, hold on. Let me make sure I give her extra 100. I try to make sure I thought I split it good, but I didn't split it right. Hold on. Let me see. Where's my wallet at? Okay. Okay. Ahora.
Ay, bueno.
Okay. All right.
Ay, Dios mío, señor, esto es demasiado. De verdad, nunca imaginé esto. De verdad.
All right.
Estoy totalmente sorprendida, pero Dios se los multiplique a todos. Es de verdad, es agradable compartir con un ser tan bello como tú, de verdad.
Okay.
Y todo lo que hacemos no es a través de un interés, nada. Es de mucho
De
afecto
nosotros.
de nosotros,
Mhm.
de muy profundo de nuestro corazón. Bueno, estas somos nosotras. No
Okay.
sé palabra.
Okay. Vamos un trago, okay, ahora. Okay.
Salud por eso.
Salud. Esta es, okay. Mhm. All right. Anyways, guys, we did it. It's awesome April Fool's Day. I fooled them a little bit. We fooled them a little bit. Hope you enjoyed this video. More on the way from us, and I see you in the next video. Thank you. All right. We always stay live all the time. I told you. Okay. We can still get it popping, huh? Anywhere. All right. See you in the next one. Yo.